Stop drinking plain water when you wake up. You are accidentally draining away your biological stamina before your day even starts. If you are over 40 and looking to regain your physical energy, sharp focus, and natural vascular drive, this video is the answer. How does this simple mineral combination turn a basic glass of water into a cellular electrolyte surge that clears arterial stiffness and fires up your blood flow in just 15 minutes? As men cross 40, cellular hydration mechanics shift, baseline plasma volume naturally drops, and blood vessels gradually lose their smooth elasticity. Drinking large amounts of plain, tap, or distilled water on an empty stomach actually flushes out essential trace minerals, lowering your cellular pressure and triggering a mild stress response. This targeted morning strategy was built specifically for the man who wants to regain total confidence, physical stamina, and performance right from his home. Why is a precise pinch of mineral-dense salt and lemon the non-negotiable trigger for this protocol? Medical data reveals an essential biological mechanism. Your blood vessel walls rely on precise concentrations of sodium, potassium, and magnesium to regulate cellular osmotic pressure. When you drink pure water without trace electrolytes after an 8-hour fast, your body cannot efficiently retain it in the bloodstream. Adding unrefined sea salt, like Celtic or Himalayan salt, restores key trace minerals that immediately expand your blood plasma volume. When combined with the high vitamin C and bioflavonoid density of fresh lemon juice, this mixture directly stimulates endothelial cells to release higher levels of nitric oxide, the master signaling gas that tells your blood vessels to relax, widen, and pump blood freely. Here is how to prepare this high-performance hydration protocol in your kitchen with exact precision. Pour 10 to 12 ounces of warm or room-temperature filtered water into a clean glass. Add precisely 1 small pinch of unrefined Celtic sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. Squeeze in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, about half a fresh lemon. Stir the mixture for 10 seconds until the salt crystals completely dissolve into the liquid. Drink this as the very first thing you consume in the morning, roughly 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast or coffee, to establish a powerful foundation for daily blood flow. Before you mix your morning glass, you must avoid 3 major mistakes that will completely shut down these performance benefits. First, never use processed white table salt. Industrial table salt is stripped of its trace minerals and treated with anti-caking chemicals, which can cause fluid retention and spike blood pressure without aiding blood flow. You must use raw, unrefined Celtic sea salt or pink Himalayan salt, which contain over 80 natural trace minerals. Second, never use bottled or concentrated lemon juice. Store-bought lemon concentrates are heat pasteurized, which destroys the delicate bioflavonoids and enzymes required to trigger nitric oxide release. Always use freshly squeezed real lemon juice. Third, never mix this protocol into icy cold water. Gulping ice-cold water causes immediate vasoconstriction, shrinking the small blood vessels in your stomach and delaying nutrient absorption. Always use warm or room temperature filtered water to ensure instant cellular passage. Let's step inside your cardiovascular system to see what happens after your very first glass of this mineral-activated brew. Between minute 1 and minute 5, the warm trace mineral solution passes effortlessly through the stomach lining without triggering digestive delays. The natural sodium-glucose cotransporters in your gut open immediately, rushing hydration directly into your bloodstream. Between minute 10 and minute 15, your body enters the target activation zone. Restored plasma volume paired with active bioflavonoids triggers peripheral vasodilation, expanding microblood vessels by up to 25%. You may feel a subtle wave of mental clarity, physical warmth spreading to your hands and feet, and a noticeable rise in baseline energy, as if an electrical grid had been relit throughout your body. Over the next 24 hours, these hydration mechanics remain locked in. Balanced plasma volume keeps your heart rate stable during exertion, reduces sudden midday physical fatigue, and maintains smooth arterial elasticity throughout the day and night. I want to hear from you down in the comments. How do you usually start your morning hydration, and have you ever tried adding unrefined sea salt and lemon to your water before? Drop your age and your answer in the comments below so we can see who is taking action today. If you want more simple life hacks like this to naturally protect your vascular health, boost your energy, and optimize male vitality, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel right now. Don't keep this simple morning secret to yourself. Share this video with another man over 40 who is ready to reclaim his physical edge.